Hello and welcome to this Verenigma app tutorial. This video serves to be an overview of the beta app and show you some of the basics of the features that are available to you. When we first open the app, we'll see the dashboard. This will show you some at-a-glance information on your mental health conditions. We'll look more into that later. To get started and start analysing your voice, click Record Voice Note at the bottom. Now, click the record button in the middle to start recording your voice. We recommend a voice recording of around 30 seconds or more. The button fills in like a loading bar to show how far through that 30 seconds you are. It can be hard to think of things to say. I recommend having a talk about your day and going on a little bit of a monologue. It's over before you know it. Once you're happy with the recording, press stop. Your recording is now being uploaded. It'll take about a minute or two to show up on your dashboard. I've skipped that wait and you can now see the results showing on the dashboard. When the chart only shows coloured segments close to the centre of their specific conditions, that means that those conditions were not as severe at the time of your voice recording. On the other hand, the chart that's just appeared shows a more severe analysis. Currently, Verenigma's at-a-glance chart shows each of your conditions to 5 different levels of severity. Next, we're going to take a look at adding an activity. This is currently aimed at those involved with contact sports, but in future will be used to monitor self-help strategies and their effects. First, tap the plus sign in the bottom right corner, then choose Add an Activity. We'll be presented with a number of options. I'm going to choose kickboxing. Now click Add to add this activity to your day. You'll be returned to the dashboard. When you record a voice note later in the day, the app will ask you if you have taken part in any of these daily activities. If you're using the app for contact sports, then you should take a recording as soon as possible after any sporting activity. Tap No Activity or choose the activity that you've recently completed to continue. Next, you'll be asked if you experienced a concussive episode. If you answer yes, you'll be taken to an external survey to provide further information. This helps us to develop the app for contact and combat sports participants. Once you've filled this out, return to the app and hit back. Just quickly, we're going to open the menu and take a look at the activities section here. Here you can see all the activities that we've added, add new ones and remove them. Just swipe the activity to the left to clear it from the list. If this is done in error, just add the activity again. Next, we'll take a look at the Reports tab. To access this, tap Reports at the top of the dashboard. Here we'll see individual charts for each condition. Currently, they show my history over the day, but with continued use we'll show data over the week, month or year. Scroll down to see different graphs for each condition. Here we can see depression, anxiety and stress. Next, we'll take a look at the journal. You can find this between dashboard and reports at the top of the screen. Here you'll see data on how many voice notes you've recorded and streaks of app usage. We'll also see a list of individual voice notes and can open them for more detailed information. When we open this one up, we can see the specific analysis for that voice recording, as well as any activities reported with it. This can be used to understand the impact of sports on your mental health conditions. Thanks for using Verenigma as a beta user. We look forward to your feedback and improving our app with your support. Visit verenigma.com for more information, as well as contact details if you have any questions.